how to change account on Pokemon TCG Pocket. So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll show you guys on how to change your account on Pokemon TCG Pocket. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, what you want to do is to just go to the three lines right here on the bottom right corner, and then once you're here, what you want to do is click on Other, go to Account, and then after that there will be an option right here that will allow you to delete saved data. But before you click on that, deleting your saved data will remove all of the data in your current account right now. So if you're sure that you want to delete your current data right now in order so that you can make a new account, click on it. But if you want to have two accounts that you want to use without deleting the data on your previous account, what you can do is to just simply delete the application. That's it. Just delete Pokemon TCG Pocket, reinstall it again in the App Store, and then after that, you'll be prompted again to sign in your account or create a new account after you reinstall it again. So yeah, so those are the two methods on how you can change account on Pokemon TCG Pocket, and then after that, you're pretty all set. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.